subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among tawabin. May Allah make us among mutatahhirin. Allahumma ja'alna min al-tawabin wa ja'alna min al-mutatahhirin. I will make istighfar, tauba. Say Ameen with me. I will not change the pronouns in this. I will say it in the individual, but you say Ameen with it. It's allowed. Imam Shawkani said, don't change the pronouns, so I'm going to follow that today. I tried it at the KIS, but I said, no, inshallah, I'll make it in the words of Prophet ﷺ. Sayyidul Istighfar. This is the master of repentance. So this will be repentance for all of us. Allahumma anta rabbi la ilaha illa ant. خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت. أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت. أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. Basically, you're saying, oh Allah, forgive me, forgive all of us. No one can forgive except you. اللهم ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا